We have to find values of x and y. We have given triangle, and these two sides are congruent because this red mark tells us that this side and that are congruent. So if the sides are congruent, it means that the two angles of a triangle are congruent too. So we have that angle, let's put that as A, B, C triangle. So because we have that AC is congruent to BC, it means that angle A is congruent to angle B. So we have that measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. Measure of angle A is y degrees is equal measure angle B x degrees. It means that x is equal y. What else? We know that measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write another equation that x degrees plus y degrees plus 108 is equal 180 degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So we have x plus y plus 108 is equal 180. Because we found that x equals y, so we can substitute x by y. So we have y plus y is equal, and I will move 108 to the right side. So we have 180 minus 108. So we have 2y is equal 78. Now we will divide both sides by 2. So we have that y is equal 39. And because x was equal y, so we have that x is equal 39 as well. So this is my solution.